Whether you're a hobbyist, an engineer, or a creative maker, having the right 3D printer can take your projects to the next level. And in 2025, the options are more advanced, affordable, and precise than ever. In this video, we're diving into the best 3D printers of 2025, breaking down their features, print quality, ease of use, and value for money to help you find the perfect match for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews and updates. Let's get started. Number 5. The FlashForge Adventurer. 5M is a game-changer in the world of 3D printing, seamlessly blending ease of use with impressive performance. After extensive testing and comparison with other models in its class, we've found that this printer hits the sweet spot for both beginners and experienced makers alike. One of the standout features of the Adventurer 5M is its user-friendly design. The plug-and-play setup means you can get started with minimal hassle, allowing you to focus on your creative projects rather than troubleshooting technical issues. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, making navigation a breeze even for those new to 3D printing. In terms of print quality, the Adventurer 5M truly excels. It delivers sharp details and smooth finishes that rival much more expensive printers. Whether you're working on intricate models or larger prints, the end results are consistently impressive. The printer's heated bed ensures excellent adhesion, reducing the likelihood of warping and enhancing overall print reliability. Another highlight of the Adventurer 5M is its versatility. It supports a wide array of filaments, including PLA, PETG, and ABS, allowing you to experiment with different materials and find the perfect fit for your projects. Additionally, the printer boasts a generous build volume, accommodating larger prints without sacrificing detail. FlashForge has also prioritized safety and convenience with features like the enclosed build chamber, which helps maintain a stable temperature and protects users from moving parts. Number 4. The Creality K1 Max is a standout addition to the world of 3D printing, offering impressive features that cater to both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. After thoroughly testing its performance, build quality, and user-friendliness, it's clear that this printer has a lot to offer. First and foremost, the K1 Max boasts an expansive build volume, allowing for larger prints without compromise. This is particularly beneficial for users looking to create substantial models or multiple smaller items in one go. The printer's large print area, combined with its high-speed printing capabilities, means you can expect quicker turnaround times without sacrificing detail. One of the most impressive aspects of the K1 Max is its ease of use. The setup process is straightforward, thanks to the clear instructions and well-designed interface. The printer features a color touchscreen that is intuitive and responsive, making it easy to navigate through settings and print options. Additionally, the automatic bed leveling feature takes the guesswork out of ensuring a perfect first layer, which is crucial for successful prints. In terms of print quality, the K1 Max does not disappoint. It produces sharp, detailed prints with excellent layer adhesion. Whether you're printing intricate designs or simple prototypes, the results are consistently impressive. The printer also supports a wide range of filament types, including PLA, ABS, and PETG, giving users the flexibility to experiment with different materials. Number 3. The Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo is a game-changer for both novice and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. After extensive testing, it's clear that this model strikes an impressive balance between performance, ease of use, and affordability. One of the standout features of the Kobra S1 Combo is its user-friendly setup. Out of the box, the assembly process is straightforward, and within minutes, you're ready to start printing. The intuitive touchscreen interface makes navigating the settings a breeze, allowing users to quickly adjust parameters for optimal results. In terms of print quality, the Kobra S1 Combo excels. It produces detailed and precise prints with consistent layer adhesion. Whether you're printing intricate models or larger objects, the results are impressive, showcasing smooth surfaces and vibrant colors. The printer also offers a generous build volume, making it versatile for a range of projects. Another highlight is the inclusion of advanced features typically found in higher-end models. The auto bed leveling system is a significant time saver, ensuring that your prints adhere correctly without the hassle of manual adjustments. Additionally, the printer supports multiple filament types, expanding your creative possibilities. Durability is also a strong point for the Kobra S1 Combo. The sturdy metal frame minimizes vibrations, leading to smoother prints, while the high-quality components promise longevity. Even during extended use, the printer maintains performance, making it a reliable choice for those who plan to tackle extensive projects. Number 2. The Creality K2 Plus Combo is a standout contender in the world of 3D printing, seamlessly blending affordability with impressive performance. After extensive testing, it's clear that this printer caters to both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. One of the first things that strikes you about the K2 Plus is its robust build quality. The solid frame minimizes vibrations during printing, resulting in more accurate and consistent prints. With a generous build volume, it allows for larger projects without compromising on detail, making it a versatile option for various printing needs. The setup process is straightforward, and the user-friendly interface makes navigating through settings a breeze. Creality has included several advanced features that enhance the printing experience, such as a filament sensor that pauses the print if the material runs out, and a resume print function that saves your progress in case of a power outage. In terms of print quality, the K2 Plus impresses with its ability to produce intricate details and smooth finishes. Whether you're printing functional prototypes, detailed miniatures, or artistic creations, the results are consistently impressive. The printer also supports a wide range of filament types, including PLA, ABS, and PETG, giving users the flexibility to experiment with different materials. Moreover, the K2 Plus Combo comes with an upgraded cooling system that effectively reduces print warping and enhances layer adhesion, ensuring that prints come out clean and polished. Number 1. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo is a game-changer for anyone looking to dive into the world of 3D printing without overwhelming complexity or a hefty price tag. This compact printer packs a punch with its impressive speed, quality, and user-friendly features, making it a perfect fit for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of the A1 Mini is its incredible print speed. Capable of producing high-quality prints in a fraction of the time compared to other models, it allows users to experiment and iterate on designs rapidly. Whether you're creating intricate models or simple prototypes, the A1 Mini ensures that you won't be left waiting around for hours. The print quality is exceptional. With a resolution that competes with much higher-end models, the details in prints are sharp and precise. During testing, we found that even the most delicate features were rendered clearly, showcasing the printer's excellent calibration and design. Ease of use is another highlight of the Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo. The intuitive interface and straightforward setup process mean that even those new to 3D printing can get started without frustration. The printer's compact design also makes it ideal for home use or small workspaces without sacrificing performance. Additionally, the A1 Mini Combo comes equipped with various connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and USB, allowing for seamless integration with your workflow.